Welcome. If you've ever missed a friend's story on Snapchat because you accidentally muted their notifications, don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to unmute a friend's story notification so you never miss an update from your favorite people. Let's get started. First, open up your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top left corner and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page, where you can access all your account settings and friends list. Next, tap on My Friends. Here you'll see a list of everyone you're connected with on Snapchat. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the friend whose story notifications you want to unmute. Once you've located them, press and hold down on their name for a couple of seconds. This will open up a menu with several options. Now, at the top right of this menu, tap on the three dots. From the drop-down, select Chat and Notification Settings. This is where you can fine-tune how you interact with this friend on Snapchat. Within these settings, tap on Story Settings. Here you'll see a switch labeled Story Notification. If it's turned off, you won't get alerts when this friend posts a new story. To unmute them, simply toggle the switch on. That's it. You'll now receive notifications whenever this friend shares a new story, so you can stay up to date with everything they post. Customizing your notifications like this helps you keep track of the friends you care about most, without being overwhelmed by alerts from everyone else. If you ever change your mind, you can repeat these steps to mute or unmute story notifications for any friend at any time. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to make the most of your Snapchat experience. Happy snapping!